Good day everyone. Today, I will be presenting about aerobic exercises. In this presentation, we will explore what aerobic exercise is, its benefits, examples, principles, and how to apply it effectively in a fitness routine. But before I started, let me introduce myself. I am Lizelle Tato from BSIS 1A student. Here is the outline of what we'll be covering today: the definition of aerobic, its benefits, sample of aerobic exercises, the basic principles behind it, the training parameter, and lastly, a summary. What is aerobics? Aerobics is a form of physical exercise that combines rhythmic movements, stretching, and strength training. It aims to improve fitness and is usually performed to music. You might have seen group aerobics in gyms, led by instructors, but it can also be done solo and even without music. It involves continuous, rhythmic activities that improve cardiovascular and muscular endurance. It can be done in groups or alone, with or without music. Aerobic exercise offers many benefits. It improves blood circulation and helps the body use oxygen more efficiently. It also increases our energy and endurance. Over time, it can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, help manage body weight, and even lower stress, anxiety, and depression. These benefits include improved cardiovascular health, increased energy, disease prevention, weight control, and better mental well-being. Here are some examples of aerobic exercise, including marching in place, side steps, arm circles, and side leg bends. There are also low-impact movements like side-to-side galloping, steps, knee lift, and press, and elbow knees collisions. They are often followed by modified jumping jacks, punch, and running in place. I will show you the video sample of aerobic exercises. Marching in place. This warm-up move increases your heart rate slowly and activates your leg muscles. It prepares the body for more intense movement while being gentle in joints. Side steps or step touches. This lateral movement warm-ups the hips and thighs and encourage coordination. It's a low-impact cardio move that helps build rhythm and flexibility. Arm circles. These target the shoulder and arms, improving mobility and blood flow in the upper body. It also helps engage the upper back and chest. Side leg bend. This exercise improves balance and strengthens your inner and outer thighs and glutes while engaging your core. It also increases flexibility. Side-to-side grappling. Side-to-side movement improves agility, cardiovascular fitness, and leg coordination, working your inner and outer thighs, glutes, calves, and core. Knee lift and press. This exercise strengthens your legs, quadriceps, and hip flexors, and core, boosting your cardiovascular fitness. Elbow and wrist collision. This dynamic movement improves core strength, coordination, and balance, engaging your core, obliques, and legs. Jumping jacks. This improves cardiovascular fitness while being gentler on your joints, working your quads, hamstring, calves, arms, shoulders, and core. Punch. Alternate punches while keeping your core engaged for stability. This improves upper body strength, cardiovascular fitness, and coordination. And last, running in place. High knees and pumping arms will improve your cardiovascular fitness and warm up your leg muscles and core. There are four main principles in aerobic training. First is specificity, which means training should target the area you want to improve. Overload means you need to challenge your body to progress. Reversibility reminds us that gains can be lost when you stop exercising, and individual differences acknowledge that each person's respond differently to training. Training parameters. The FITT principle is used to set training parameters. Frequency is how often you train per week. Intensity is how hard the exercise feels. Time refers to how long your session lasts. And type describes the kind of activity you're doing, like walking and dancing. To summarize, aerobic exercise helps improve your overall fitness. We've learned its definition, benefits, and the principles of and parameters for effective training. With regular practice, it supports both physical and mental health. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope this presentation was help you understand how beneficial aerobic exercise is for a healthy lifestyle.